Tokyo is currently in full bloom. It's nice to have something that makes me look up. The vibrant sight of cherry blossoms, there's something deeply alive within me. Let me share a haiku about Sakura, the cherry blossom. Chiru sakura, nokoru sakura mo, chiru sakura. Fallen cherry blossoms, even those that still remain, are destined to fall. Even the most beautiful and the vibrant flowers will eventually fade away. It's a sad truth, but knowing this helps me appreciate the present moment more deeply. Life is all about a cycle. All the petals will fall, but they will also bloom again next spring, just like the sun sets each evening and rises the next day without fail. So don't forget to look up. It's a way to remember that the world keeps spinning around no matter the noise and the chaos below.